Sorry about the pause. Welcome to Mathematic 59 YouTube channel. Here's another video that might help immensely. So when they say intercepts method in the book, they're wanting you to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, because any of these linear equations is going to have an x-intercept and a y-intercept. The x-intercept can fall on the x-axis, and it's going to have this kind of coordinate. We don't know if it's actually there, but just to illustrate. So if you want to get the x-intercept, make sure you understand that y equals 0. And if y equals 0, you could take the equation above and plug 0 in for y. Now, make sure you realize that when you plug in 0, that's going to eliminate that middle term. You'll be left with an equation such as 4x is 12, which leads to x is 3. You might find quicker ways to get it, but that's algebraically how you would arrive at an x-intercept. So now we know that 3, 0 is a point on the graph, because 3, 0 satisfies the linear equation. Now, if you want the y-intercept, well, since the x-intercept involved x, 0, it would make sense that the y-intercept would involve 0, y. So once again, plug 0 in for x, solve for y. That's going to lead to the equation negative 12y is 12. And y is -1, which would mean 0, -1 is also a point. So we will put 0, -1 there. Now, since 2 points define a line, we'll just go ahead and draw a line through those 2 points. Now, even though your goal is to find intercepts, you should also note that this line has a rise that's positive for every run that's positive. In other words, the slope is positive. So you could use this illustration to find the slope. Try not to get too hung up about needing the slope formula to find that. You could just use the picture. In the real world, many people would just use pictures to calculate slope, but they do understand the whole concept of slope is a ratio of rise over run. So that's a little help on getting the intercept method.